Sit back and relax for an evening with the Thamesmen.
Hello!
Oh,
I don't quite... Well,
like that. It's like that. It's like.
oh, isn't that like the beginning of Charlie's Angels?
Oh no. I'm thinking like Inspector Clouseau. Kettle.
Okay, no, now. Anyway, hello.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Thamesmen. Sorry about that. It's not going to get much better.
I am George in Los Angeles.
He is George. He is from Los Angeles. I'm Alex. I'm from San Francisco, and welcome here. If you want to stay along and have a bit of banter and listen to Wintersun, then you've come to the right place. If you want to hear something educational and learn something, probably not the channel for you.
Go BBC, PBS, equivalent, I would say.
Well, it's a big place, YouTube, isn't it?
It's a scary place. And you've come to the wrong corner.
So big, and you found us here. Oh, you poor person. All right, so Wintersun, what do you know about Wintersun?
What do we know about Wintersun? We know that the name came up because of our journey into Nightwish.
Yes.
And we know that the drummer is, if I'm remembering, is it the drummer? Is now the drummer in Nightwish, I think, if that's right. And I think another member is now joined in Marco's place, maybe. That's what I sort of know. So
Also, wasn't he Juka, the drummer from Nightwish who left, who kept having migraines, and he probably because he's hitting the drum so hard.
Yeah.
I wonder if he's put that and that together. You see, I've confused myself now, haven't I? So yeah. I think he trained, or he was a mentor for Juka first, and then he was Juka's mentor. So when he left, then the master took over.
Okay, all right, okay, yeah. So we got a lot of recommendations for this band. We did actually start doing one other track at one point, and then our internet died, didn't we? And we never that video never saw the light of day because we were out of technology, weren't we? So
people don't need to know that. You see.
I'm just making conversation.
Yeah, all right, okay. All right. Is this where
I'm trying to make an excuse why we haven't got to Wintersun yet.
Oh, okay. I thought you were going to start throwing shit at each other.
No. Why would I say that about your crappy internet? I would never say anything like that. I never blame it on your prehistoric technology. Never.
It died on the wheel. Someone in San Francisco decided to watch a movie and the whole internet went down. All right, let's do this. So Wintersun.
Which one have you picked out, sir? What have you got?
Sons of... This is hard to say with a lisp.
Yeah. Do you want me to do it? I can read it at the bottom if you want.
Daughters of Winter and Moon.
Okay, all right. And I can also read, it says live rehearsals at Sonic Pump Studios. So,
Sonic Pump Studios?
Sonic Pump. So, yeah. So, very famous studios. So,
is it? Why?
Because there are lots of stuff's been done there. It's
right. It's getting tetchy. If you like what we do, if we can ask you politely to support the channel, and also by liking us, it helps get Wintersun out there. So if you like what we're doing, if you give us a like, if you don't, give us a thumbs
dislike. But please like. It's our currency to keeps us going. So we're it's small effort, makes us feel great. So thank you.
That's what she said.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Are you ready?
Yes.
You gonna count me in?
No, no, you count me in.
Okay, all right. We've got this.
It sounds like a bad movie.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
That must be the Wintersun.
Do you have any audio?
No, not a thing.
Maybe there is none. Okay, here we go.
Oh, that old trick, eh?
Mm. Oh, yeah, that's a drum.
Oh.
my God!
Dancing spirit calling me, join in the cosmic train. Silence is tempting me now.
Very cool.
We are the stars, so winter and stars. We've come from a far beyond time. Forever the fire burns in our hearts. Our world shall never die. With the arms of the wind we ride till dawn. As the waves of the ocean cry so strong. We wander in the stars until we're gone. Our fate is sealed by eternal silence.
Oh,
That is Juka. Kai. There
oh my God.
It was
That's like
a sonic attack. It's not a sonic pump. That's like
dwarf with an AK-47 going to Mordor.
it's like, oh my God. Bloody good job they gave the drummer a break in the middle. He would have exploded at some point. It was an astounding performance.
I initially didn't like it.
Okay.
But then what they did, once I got my ear tuned to it, they started mixing harsh vocals with clean, nice, soft vocals.
Yeah. That really changed my opinion as well at that point. Yeah.
And then I realized underpinning all of that was folk. So then you got folk metal, right? Or black folk. Or AK-47 folk. So then then I really started getting into the clean and the dirty vocals, and then the folk underneath, and then of course they are supremely talented musicians.
It was amazing what they did there, really amazing, and it just 14 minutes of power. Apart from the little shimmy in the middle, but it was unbelievable. I was so impressed with that drumming. Like that.
After about 2 or 3 minutes, once I got into figuring out what the hell I was being assaulted with, and then I started listening. Once I realized it was metal folk, I loved it. Absolutely loved it.
But you can definitely see the link to Nightwish and things.
Oh yeah.
Because you had that symphonic element underneath. They must have had tracks running, and you had that sort of orchestral pieces in the background as well, which was so absolutely you can see that whole route through these things. And at times it reminded me like when we've been watching the Aerion as well, of that genre ilk. I loved it. I thought it was brilliant. I'm sorry we didn't get to Wintersun sooner because that was fantastic.
I know. I think they're Finnish, aren't they?
Yeah.
But I've just in a Nordic general term, I think IKEA should have that when I go around shopping. I would just power my way through and buy all the nightstands available.
You can imagine the carnage, though. It'd be people in those huge trolleys just bumping into things, their big yellow and blue sacks. The place would be trashed in a second.
Everyone would be picking up Helga lamps and smashing each other, then coming in with a Trivandrum nightstand. And then obviously the missing Allen key would fall out, and then there would be everyone would jump on it, And
then we'd all go for meatballs afterwards.
In Volvos. We are not generalising because it's the wrong bloody country.
No, exactly. It is.
People are from Finland.
For those who don't know, that's what it's like in IKEA in America. That's what we got. Yeah. It's all about the meatballs.
It is all about the meatballs.
They're bloody good. Whoa. Yeah, sugar.
For those who don't know, absolutely, we'll bring it up. Absolutely, they got done the IKEA for having horse meat in their meatballs.
I didn't know that.
Oh yeah,
I didn't know that. I just thought you'd just been generally rude about it.
Oh no, there's a clip. I'll put it here. They actually got done for having horse meat in their meatballs. I mean, I couldn't think of a more fucking honest meatball in the world. Really.
I mean, it's just weird sensibilities. I mean, if France eats horses the whole time, don't they?
They used to. Not now.
Don't they?
Not since Le Big Mac came in.
Really? I bet you could get a bit of horse steak in France if you looked.
I reckon there's a lot of three-legged horses going around.
Oh, got a nice flank on that one. What
do you call a donkey with 3 legs?
I know the answer. I forgot. What did you...
You wonky. Anyway, we're meant to be talking about the ban, and we've gone on about French people nicking legs of horses.
I tell you, while we reset, why don't we just check in on the weather?
Yes.
I think Danny Galaxy's got a report for us. So let's go over to Danny Galaxy in the Weather Centre. and then we'll be right back.
Okay.
Thanks, Danny.
Hey, I'm Danny Galaxy, and welcome to the weather in Tonga. So Monday we've got ash. Tuesday we've got ash. Wednesday and Thursday, ash. Friday, you got it, eruptions. Back to the studio.
Well, that seems to be a bit of a shit show. Hey, Danny. Anyway, we just had a little chat amongst ourselves in the studio here. We need to apologise.
Yeah, we managed to insult. We realised
most of Western Europe, I think.
Yeah, and within 3 minutes, we blamed the Finnish for being Swedish.
Yeah,
and we talked about horse meat being in the meat.
And we'll get sued by IKEA about horse meat.
And then you managed to insult the French for eating horses, which they
that's our national pastime, though. Let's be fair.
And the French are our natural enemies.
Oh, they are our natural enemies.
That's why you know why we learned French in school.
So we can insult? No, I don't know. Why do we learn French in school?
So we can insult them. Absolutely. So we know what they're saying behind our backs.
Okay. All right. One of my best friends here is French, and we have a great time. He does accuse me of putting mint on all my food. He says, "Are you English?" Or I don't want to do accents.
We don't put mint on everything.
But it's the perception
it's
of
nice on peas. It is nice on peas,
and it's really good with your new potatoes.
Oh, it's lovely with a new potato.
And with a bit of lamb, you've got to have your mint sauce.
Always got to have mint sauce.
Apart from that, we never put mint on anything.
Well, actually, there's fresh mint and there's the let's not go into mint sauce, but I love a bit of mint sauce. He might have a point.
I'm never going to give in. I'm never going to concede. Anyway.
All right. So, wanger or banger on Wintersun?
Jesus, that's a huge banger. I really liked it. I thought that was just like, it was an overload of everything. I was just, yeah.
Yeah, it was, I know what, it's a reindeer banger.
No, don't go there. I had a much better one.
Yeah, because mine was quite insulting.
Yeah. Again, no, Mr. No Filter. Do you know, we had a Patreon meeting the other day, and the patrons are saying, you know, I think Alex should let his filter go a bit more. I'm like, no
clue about.
They have no idea.
No clue how bad how big a filter I've got. Anyway, what is your sausage? Your sausage choice for
what? That's a very personal question.
Well, you know, whip it out and let's talk about it. What sausage have you got?
It's a banger. It's. I thought I was going to be clever, but it's kind of blown it up now. It's going to be a Sonic banger.
Why?
Because it was Sonic Pub Studios, and it was a Sonic Assault. That was why.
I agree. It's a Sonic banger.
A Sonic banger. There you go. Much better, isn't it? No one's insulted.
No. Not only that, it's a slightly warm Sonic banger.
Why is that? I don't trust.
Because the Wintersun is
warming it gently.
It's a bit Wintersun's like my wife's love. It's not enough to grow, but just enough to carry on.
What is this? Your casting couch, your couch of some description.
No, but I mean, you know, we've all had, you know, it's not enough to make you grow, but it's enough to carry on.
No, okay.
So it's a slightly warm Sonic banger.
A slightly warm Sonic banger. I don't know if that'll fit on the screen really, but we'll make it work. So. Right.
Thank you, everyone. As you can see, no intelligent information whatsoever. But if you could, if you want to perpetuate, big word, if you want to perpetuate the Wintersun, please put down there the next Wintersun we should be doing.
And if you want to see us keep coming back making videos, hit the like button.
Absolutely.
That's the way to make us come back. And if you don't, hit dislike.
And the only nations we haven't managed to insult, which we could do on the next one, are Germany and the Netherlands and Spain.
Okay, that's on the cards then, is it?
Absolutely.
Probably. Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, that was fun. I really enjoyed that track.
I really enjoyed it as well.
Really
Sorry about Tonga. Yeah,
that looks like they're having a bad time. Yeah, but nice job on Danny reporting on that, I thought. Yeah. So, yeah.
All right. Take care. See you on the flip side.
See you later.